Question will focus on palindromes, which is a number that can be flipped around. So 8 would be on this side, 3 would be on this side, and 4 would stay. And it would still be the same number. And it explains it over here, as you can see. And our current numbers are x and x plus 32. So x is a 3-digit number, so it would be 1, 2, 3 digits. And we don't know these digits. And x plus 32 would be a 4-digit number. So we don't know these 4 digits. So currently, to find x, we know the largest 3-digit number could be 999. Because if we add 1, it would be 1,000, which would be a 4-digit number. So with this 3-digit number, we're going to figure out that x plus 32 would equal, let's see, 1031. And 1031 is a 4-digit number, which fits the scheme. So if a 3-digit number and a 4-digit number are palindromes, respectively, what is the sum of the digit x? So now that we know 999 and whatever, we can say that this is a palindrome because it repeats, but added 32, 1031 is not a palindrome. So we need to find a number that if you add 32, it would remain a palindrome. So the closest number to these three, or these four, that would remain a palindrome could be 101. That minus 32 would equal 9. Let's see over here. This would drag over, so it'd be a 9, 6. This would be a 9. And 969 is indeed a palindrome. So what is the sum of the digits of x? So now that we got 969 as x, 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 9 is 24, and our answer would be this. Is about a ferry boat. You can take some time to read the question up here. I'll be explaining it. So now that you've read the question, or barely read the question, we know that every hour, starting from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., 4 p.m., the boat takes one trip. So in total, there's 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So until 4 p.m. because each trip takes an hour. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trips. So now that we know there's 6 trips, we can count down from 100 because we know that on each trip the number of tourists was 1 fewer than on the previous trip. So we can go 100 because that's the starting number, 99, 98, 97, 96, and 95. So these would be the amount of passengers total, including that one, yeah. So all you will have to do is just add. So I hate adding, and I'm just gonna organize this like this, make everything easier. 195, 791 or 2? No, it's 2. And 392 as well. So 297, 293, 0, 8, 5, and then 195. So now that we know there's a 5 at the end, actually, did I do my math right? I don't think so. But maybe I carried something over wrong, but I think this would be the answer because it's kind of obvious. Everything cancels out. That would be a 5, that would be a 5, that would be a 5. And then in the end, there's only one 5. No 5, no 5, no 5, no 5. So that would be the answer. So although I got my mathematics a little wrong, like the addition, I still got the answer because I can like make an assumption that these would be the only numbers, and if they were the only numbers, then it would have to end with 5, so it wouldn't be 600 whatever. Yep. So it was a pretty bad lesson, but it was a lesson. Yeah, sorta. Thanks for watching, I guess, and see ya.